Hey guys, Jared here at Richardson's RV. I wanted to show you this Jayco Precept 31Ul. This is a 2022 model. Let me get the camera flipped around. We'll talk about it. All right, so again, 2022 Jayco Precept 31Ul. Real quick brief about the exterior, and then we'll go in and talk about the interior just a little bit. You do have some outdoor storage down here. Those two big compartments you see there are both full pass-through storages, so you can get those big items in there that you're trying to fit. These do come with slide-out toppers, as you can see. Obviously full electric awning with LED light strip lighting. You got your exterior TV. These are already equipped with a backup camera and side view cameras, so when you activate that blinker, let's say you turn on the right blinker, your right camera will activate and come on. We'll go ahead and take a look. As you walk in this coach, what I like about it's opposing pop-out. So you've got a full slide out there, which is your kitchen, L-shaped kitchen, and your recliners both pop out. And then when you spin around, you've got another pop-out here for your dinette. Your television is on the televator, if you will, so it drops down if you don't want to watch TV and you want that window. The cab of this rig, it's got a drop-down bunk up there that's all electric. It's got a table that sets up there in between those two chairs. Both of those chairs swivel around, so you can use those while you're camping. The front windshield shade is all electric. Your left and right shades are manual shades that pull down for privacy. We'll spin around, you get a view from this direction. As we move on, your refrigerator's here. Nice big fridge. You guys want to take a look inside. And then you've got your double freezer up top. This is a gas electric option with an ice maker. And then you have your privacy door here. So your bathroom door basically opens up. It latches right up there. So when you're back there taking a shower, you just set it up like that, and you have full privacy in the bathroom and bedroom. Your shower is here. You can see, nice big shower. And as you turn around, you have your restroom, which you've got sink and everything here. Some cabinets, medicine cabinet here. Windshield shades on, window shades on, all the windows are just like this. So you've got just a shade if you like, and then you also have privacy. And you got the toilet. It is a porcelain toilet, not plastic. This is an Insta hot water system. So it's tankless basically. This is your Firefly system here. You can control everything in the coach as you go through. You've got your main home page, which is a little bit of everything. Your electronics, your lighting, you can control everything, dim it down. Your front rear AC. Your slide out and awning controls are here. And then you can go into settings. There is a mobile app for this, so you can download the app on your phone. You can control pretty much everything in the unit via the mobile app, which is cool. Nice king bed in the master with a sliding door here. Let's spin around so you can see this side. Ton of cabinet space for your clothes, hang clothes, drawers. There's another hidden spot behind that TV. The TV raises up, which I'll show you that. So you've got a nice hidden spot back there for anything you want to put. We'll view from this direction. All right, guys, again, it's Jared at Richardson's RV. Any questions about this rig, let me know. You can reach out to me on my cell. It's 615-739-2275. Shoot me a text or phone call, and I'll be glad to help you guys.